I'm a little under the weather. If you're a little under the weather, stretch your throat. Here's your collarbone. Grab onto the skin right below it with one hand and then weigh that hand down with the other. It's a gentle placement. And then close your mouth, tilt your chin up, and take a breath. Exhale. Tilt away, stretching open the side of your throat. This is your platysmus muscle. Platysma? Platysmus? I can't remember. Here's another tip to open out your throat when you're a little under the weather. If you have to cough, don't cough down. Find where the itch in your throat is, stretch that spot open, and cough up. Cough it out. Cough it up. Bye. Feel better.